Hey David, this is Larry Powell, Top Shelf Rankings. Kimberly called and talked to you last week, and she said that you were interested in taking a look at this video on how you guys can generate more leads for your business by utilizing your website in Google search. So in this video, I'm going to talk about three different things that will really help improve your rankings. I like to call them the big three, and they are content, backlinks, and citations. So we'll jump into it. First thing I want to do is I want to take a quick look at your website with you and kind of go over any things I see that I think could be improved. I love that you guys have the free quote here at the top and that it moves down, makes it easy for people to get a hold of you guys. Looks really nice through here. I can definitely tell you spent some money building out this website. Now, focusing on content, there was a study done a few years ago where they looked at all the top ranked websites across the internet, and what they found is that the top ranked sites all had at least 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on the homepage. And the reason why that's important is because being in the top spot, you'll get about 33% of search traffic headed towards your website by being in the top ranked site or top ranked spot. Okay. So for you guys, increasing the amount of content you have on here would definitely be huge. One of the search terms I wanted to look at, painters Los Angeles. So making sure that you also have these search terms in your content is another big part of how you're actually going to get your website to rank. So we can look and see here. So Painters Los Angeles, you guys don't even have it in your content. So this is getting 500 searches per month. And by you guys not having it in your content, you guys aren't telling Google that this is a search term you want to be found for. An exact match is definitely important. If people are making that search and Google's looking through all the different websites on the internet that have that search term, then you guys will not be found. And so you're missing out on the opportunity to generate a lot of new business for your website by not having that in there. There's a lot of other search terms out there, but you definitely want to include that one in your content. Okay. So looking at Painters Los Angeles, we're going to do kind of a side-by-side comparison of what you guys are doing compared to your competition. So as we pull up the Google search results, first thing we see here is paid ads. So this is people paying Google to have their websites or companies like Angie's List listed as the top spot. Okay. And then we get into Google My Business listings. These are also super important. You can generate a lot of leads through your GMBs as well. A big ranking factor for how you get your business into this brings us to our number two out of the big three, and that's citations. Citations is your business name, address, and phone number listed on the web. You can do this on websites like Yelp, like free Yelp listings, Yellow Book or Yellow Page listings, Facebook listings, or Facebook pages. These are all great resources you have for free citations. And the goal here is to have more citations than what your competitors have. Better reviews is also a great thing. So really pushing for those reviews as you guys are going out there and getting, work done. But those are definitely things you guys can do to increase your overall rankings here in the Google My Business. Another big part of it is actually your organic rankings as well. So where your business sits organically, and these search results also plays a lot of weight in getting your business into this top three. Looking at the organic search results, we can see Yelp is the number one. This is usually a great sign because Google really prefers to rank the small business over these large national directory sites. The reason for that being is that people pay Yelp. There are paid listings in Yelp as well, and people are paying Yelp to have their business listed in there. Well, Google would really prefer you to be paying them if you want to have your business on the website or on the internet, not paying Yelp. And so if you are building out your website correctly, you're optimizing it, you're doing all the little things, 99% of the time you will outrank Yelp without a lot of effort. Okay. Looking at the number two ranked website, we can look and see PaintZen is here. So looking at PaintZen's website, we can see that they have a nice website as well. They do have quite a bit more content on here than you guys have. They're probably somewhere in the 1,000 to 1,200 words of content range. So definitely, making sure that you have more content than them is going to be the first step in passing them up in the rankings. Now, looking at the back end of your website compared to the back end of their website, this is where we start to look at backlinks. So usually this would show a bunch of data on here. So I don't know if you guys have a brand new website that just hasn't pulled up yet, or whoever built the website for you has some sort of blocker in there to where you can't see any of this information. Sometimes people do that. So it's kind of hard to say, but definitely we can look at the competition so you can kind of see what they have going on. So first thing we will do is take a look at their backlinks. So we can see that backlinks wise, they have 188 backlinks from 23 referring domains or 23 websites. The best way to describe what a backlink is it's kind of like a popularity contest. That's what Google is. It's really just a big popularity contest. And you're going out there and you're trying to link your website to sites that are more popular than yours in order to bring the popularity up of your site and move it up in the Google rankings. Okay. Another big part of backlinks is relevancy. If you guys go out and you get a backlink from maybe a paint distributor or another painting company like in Oregon where I'm at, that's going to carry a lot more weight in Google's eyes than if you guys go out and get a backlink to your local Pizza Hut because you guys aren't slinging pizzas, right? And so relevancy really plays a lot of weight and really looks really good in Google's eyes when getting these backlinks and moving you up in the rankings. Now looking at the organic keywords that they're currently ranking for, we can see painters Los Angeles, 500 searches per month. Los Angeles house painter, 350 searches per month. These are all search terms that you guys should have in the content of your website if you guys want to have an opportunity to rank for those. Okay. Now looking at the overall traffic they have coming into their business, you can see 298 people per month organic traffic wise. So there's definitely a lot of opportunity for you guys to really grow your business. Now, again, I don't know if you guys have some sort of, hider on there that you guys just make it so I can't see what's going on in the back end. But definitely, focusing on those little things. Again, just kind of summarize the big three: content, increasing those content on your homepage to that 1,500 to 2,000 words. Citations, making sure that you have more than your competition, and there are tools out there that you can utilize to do that. And then backlinks, going through getting backlinks. These are all three great ways you can do to increase the amount of leads you'll have coming into your business. Now, if this is something that you're interested in talking to me about potentially having me do it for you, I'd love to definitely discuss that with you. You can reach me on my cell phone at 541-968-7159. If this is something that maybe you have an in-house person or you want to do it yourself and run with the information I gave you, no harm, no foul, that's totally fine as well. I hope you definitely got something out of this, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Thank you.